Okay, we fixed the coop. There it is. Put it back together, and you saw the video, last video, and we're off now. Going to the ice. Yep, a little fun going on the snow. Yep, got the coop all back together, and that diesel powered thing. It's actually an amphibious vehicle, as we were looking at it. Thing goes underwater. It's got that stack I was showing you in the back when I got that ride 3 videos ago. See, that's how far it can go down, about to the top of them pipes up there. Yep, Sarah's there enjoying the ride, huh? Having a good time with Dad, yeah. Just had her lunch. Going up the ice. On our way to Sucker Pond. Wow, look at how much the ice and springs are come up in here. Wow, look at it. It's all spring coming through. All ice. Yep, cruising the ice. Ice wheeling, folks. We're not even in the snow, we're in the ice. Yep. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, it used to be the big ledge here. I don't know if you've seen it in previous videos, but not anymore. Go right down it now. Yeah. Alright, we're going to end it here, and when we get to the pond, we'll start the video, and then we're going to have some hot dogs and have a little barbecue. Yep, we're up to 3 minutes, so if people don't like to watch more than a minute 27 is my average on the video, so. But we have so much action, it's should go this way because I don't want to fall through the ice. Over here. There. Yeah, that's nasty over there. Nasty over there. Alright. Thanks for watching, everyone. When we get to the pond, we'll show you the pond, and we'll have our barbecue. All right, sir. Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone.